Motivating team members. Motivating team members involves understanding what drives individuals to perform, contribute, and engage with their work. Motivation can be both intrinsic, arising from personal satisfaction, purpose, and interest, and extrinsic, driven by rewards, recognition, and external incentives. Effective leaders recognize that individuals are motivated differently depending on values, personality, experience, and career goals. Motivation is supported when expectations are clear, goals are meaningful, and employees feel their work contributes to something worthwhile. Leaders should communicate purpose consistently, helping team members see the connection between their tasks and the organization's broader objectives. Additionally, creating opportunities for autonomy, skill development, and problem-solving can strengthen intrinsic motivation by giving employees ownership of their work. By contrast, rigid control or overly prescriptive instructions can limit motivation by reducing creativity and independence. Motivating team members, therefore, requires balancing support with autonomy, providing direction without micromanaging, and enabling individuals to apply their strengths in meaningful ways that reinforce commitment and satisfaction. Positive relationships and team climate play a crucial role in sustaining motivation. When team members feel respected, supported, and included, they are more likely to contribute fully and collaborate effectively. Leaders must foster an environment of psychological safety where individuals feel comfortable sharing ideas, expressing concerns, and learning from mistakes. Recognition is another critical factor. Acknowledging effort and achievement, both formally and informally, signals appreciation and reinforces desired behaviors. Recognition should be timely, specific, and sincere, rather than generic or routine. Furthermore, leaders should provide constructive feedback that focuses on growth rather than blame, encouraging continuous improvement. Communication must be open and consistent so that team members feel informed, valued, and connected to the team's progress. Team-building activities, shared problem-solving, and collaborative decision-making strengthen relationships and trust. By creating a supportive and cohesive team environment, leaders build emotional commitment, which is a deeper and more durable source of motivation than reliance on incentives alone. Motivating team members also requires aligning leadership practices, performance management, and development opportunities with employees' long-term aspirations. Individuals are more motivated when they believe they are learning, progressing, and valued as future contributors. Leaders should identify strengths and aspirations through regular conversations, development plans, and coaching. Providing challenging assignments, mentoring relationships, and training opportunities helps employees grow and remain engaged. It is equally important to ensure workloads are fair and manageable. Excessive pressure or ambiguity can reduce motivation and lead to frustration or burnout. Leaders should monitor team morale, energy levels, and stress indicators, adjusting expectations where necessary to maintain performance sustainability. Finally, motivation is reinforced by fairness. Team members must see that rewards, opportunities, and recognition are distributed transparently and equitably. When motivation practices are consistent, supportive, and aligned with individual and team needs, employees are more committed, collaborative, and resilient, ultimately enhancing overall team performance and organizational effectiveness.